how to check Telegram user ID. So to find Telegram ID, now open up your Telegram app. After you open your Telegram app, all you have to do now, tap on this search at the top. So under this search, all you have to do now, go and search for this robot. RAW, like this, raw, then underscore data, like this, then underscore, then bot. So as you can see now, here is the bot. As you can see now, raw data bot. So tap on this paste bot. So after you open the bot, so tap on this restart button. So under this restart, as you can see now, it will give you your Telegram ID. As you can see here, it says your ID. So here is now my ID. That's it, guys, on how to find your Telegram ID. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys.